This soap is going to exfoliate, brighten and repair your skin, and it's a soap you want to learn how to make. Hello guys, how are you? I'm going to be showing you how to make this exfoliating, brightening and skin repair black soap. Guys, this soap is wow, it's a soap recipe you want to learn how to make if you've been looking for something that will help to exfoliate, brighten your skin and make you have that beautiful skin. So here we have the raw African black soap. Okay, so this is a pre-made soap. We are going to be adding ingredients to activate this soap. Okay, so as you guys can see, here is the soap. It comes in 500 grams and some come in a higher grams. Okay, so here is the soap. This is how the soap looks like, right? And the first thing we are going to do, okay, is to gently, either you can crumble the soap or you can do it like I'm doing it in the video, okay? Because while doing this, it will be easy for us to work with the soap. Okay, you don't just drop the soap like that. Okay, you will find it difficult, okay, to incorporate ingredients into the soap. That is why I'm carefully doing it like this, so that it will be easy for me, okay, to add ingredients and to mix everything evenly. Okay, so just take your time to either crumble, and you can as well, like I said, do it this way I'm doing it, so that it can be easy for you to work with. So I'm using a knife to kind of crumble it more further, so that it will be easy for me to work with. So that is the major goal of doing it this way. Okay, whichever way that works well with you, you can do that. Okay, so the next ingredient we're going to add is papaya seed powder. Okay, so this was a papaya seed that was crushed into powdered form, and here we have camwood powder. So these are amazing skincare ingredients. We have calendula extract powder. So calendula extract powder helps to soothe irritated skin. So even if you have sensitive skin, you can as well use this soap. Next up is a rice powder. A rice powder brightens the skin. It also exfoliates the skin. Then we have mulberry extract. It helps to naturally brighten the skin. We have glycerin. Glycerin helps to hydrate the skin. Is a humectant. We also have honey. Honey hydrates the skin. Is as well a humectant. Okay. Then the next ingredient we are going to be adding is sunflower oil, which will also help to hydrate and glow the skin. Next up is shea butter. Shea butter helps to hydrate the skin. So guys, you're going to be mixing everything together. So this soap recipe, as you guys can see, is packed with amazing ingredients that will help feed your skin, that will help you achieve that flawless skin. Just take your time, make sure everything is well incorporated. So this soap will not just brighten, it will soothe your skin, it will hydrate your skin. So basically, all skin types can use this soap. If you have dry skin, you have oily skin, any type of skin can use this soap. So this is a soap recipe you want to learn how to make. And once you start using this soap, guys, your skin is definitely going to thank you. Okay, so just take your time. Okay, make sure that you incorporate the ingredients into this soap. Like guys, if you've been looking for a soap that will just make you have that flawless skin, this soap recipe is what you want to learn how to make, is what you want to start using ASAP, so that you can achieve that flawless skin you've been craving for. Guys, as you guys can see, our soap is already getting ready, and this soap recipe, okay, I don't even need to talk too much, because you need to make this soap and start using it for yourself, and you're going to see that positive results on your skin. So if you're looking for a soap recipe, or even if you don't like black soap, okay, just try this soap, because most times people say black soap is drying. Okay, that is if you don't add enough hydrating ingredient to the black soap, it tends to dry out your skin. But this particular recipe will not dry out your skin, it will leave your skin glowy, it will leave your skin hydrated. That is why all skin types can use this soap. So even if you have dry skin, you can still use this soap. Okay, so make sure that is well incorporated, and you're going to be adding your essential oil for that nice smell. Okay, you want your soap to smell nice, you want your soap to do the job and also smell nice. Okay, so the essential oil is to add that amazing smell, okay, to your soap. You don't really need a preservative here, because we didn't add anything that contains water. Okay, all the thing we added, okay, didn't have water in it, so you don't really need a preservative here. Okay, if you still want to add, you can add, but it's not necessary, because all the ingredients here don't have water. So guys, as you can see, our soap is already ready. So the next thing you're going to do is to get a clean and sterilized container like so. I am going to be putting the soap into a container. Make sure that the container is well sterilized. Don't use dirty container to store your soap, okay? You have to use a clean and well sterilized container to store your soap. Guys, please try out this soap recipe, like you're going to love it. If you want to learn how to make natural skincare products, safe, okay, homemade, handmade skincare products, go to my about page. You're going to have access to my store link where you can get access to my trainings and start learning how to make natural safe skincare products. Okay, so guys, here is a soap. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you guys in my next one. Bye.